Hello and welcome to Taiwan Home Tutor. Today I will be talking about a game which is related to the topic shapes. Uh, Obviously, if you teach shapes, you will use flashcards or you will use some kind of wooden or plastic shapes to teach your students. But there is another great way to do that. You have to get a bunch of small blocks, rectangular ones. So something that looks like this. They're usually pretty flat, so it's just like that, like a little brick. They're absolutely wonderful and great for this kind of activity. So you'll be sitting in front of your students with probably a basket of these blocks. And the same as any other games, I just repeat myself. You have to divide the students into different teams, give them cute names, right? Sunny and cloudy, for example. And then you have to teach them the concept. Now, why this activity is great? Because this activity also involves in using imagination, right? So the students have to imagine the shape and they have to kind of build it. So it actually helps the students to train their fingers, train their imagination. It's wonderful for these things, not only learning the shapes. So you have to teach them how to make shapes with small blocks. So let's say you want to make like a square. So you have to draw a square, teach them this word. Obviously, you can write the word above. And then you have to use the small blocks and place them in the shape of a square. I'm sorry, of course, it's not going to be very beautiful because I'm using a mouse and it's not really easy to draw. Just like that. Right? It's not going to be perfectly, perfect square sometimes because sometimes babies, they can't put things properly, but that's okay. The same with the circle, the same with a triangle. So you already, I think, understood the idea. So they have to place the blocks so they look like a circle. It is a very fun game, and the students always really want to like involve and try to build it. You'll find that some students cannot complete this task, so you can actually teach them. By the way, when you're doing this activity, you can teach them how to do that. So hopefully you can find this useful for your class. Don't forget to like, favorite, and share the video on social networks, guys. Thank you very much. It was Taiwan Home Tutor. Bye bye.